In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock a page in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the Canva home page, open the design where the page is locked. After the design editor opens, look at the page you want to edit. If the page is locked, you may notice that you cannot move or change the elements on that page. Next, select the locked page by clicking on it. When the page is selected, look for the lock icon in the toolbar or near the page controls. Click on the lock icon and choose the option to unlock the page. Once you click Unlock, the page will become editable again. You can now move elements, edit text, change images, or adjust the layout just like any normal page in your design. If needed, you can lock the page again later by clicking the same lock icon to prevent accidental changes. That is how you unlock a page in Canva.